How to decrease. Knit 3 stitches together. Knitting stitches together allows us to decrease the stitches in our row or round. In this video, we'll knit 3 stitches together to reduce our stitch count by 2 stitches in one go. Start by inserting your right needle into the next 3 stitches, the same way you would for a single knit stitch or when knitting 2 stitches together. With the yarn behind the needles and the tip of your right needle inserted through 3 stitches, wrap the yarn around the tip of the right needle anti-clockwise. Then draw the yarn through all 3 stitches. Now slide the 3 loops off your left hand needle to complete the stitch. Let's do that again. Insert your right hand needle into the next 3 stitches. Wrap the yarn around the tip of your right needle. Draw a loop through all 3 stitches. Then slide the 3 loops off your left hand needle. You have now decreased using knit 3 together.